You track your steps, your workouts, and even your sleep. But are you tracking your habits? Research shows that the average person has around 50 habits, and most of us don't even realize how many bad ones we have developed. By the end of this video, you'll know the best apps and methods to track your habits and how to use them to transform your life. So why track habits? The answer is simple: awareness. When you track your habits, you become aware of the ones holding you back and the ones that are working for you. According to a study, people who track their habits are 300% more likely to stick to their goals. That's a staggering number, and it's no wonder that tracking habits has become a trending topic in the productivity space. Now, let's talk about the apps. There are many great options out there, but we're going to focus on three of the best: Habitica, Loop Habit Tracker, and Forest. Habitica is a habit tracker that gamifies your habits, turning them into a fun, interactive experience. Loop Habit